Hello, it's me, Tadil. I know Mother's Day has passed, but I would like to dedicate this video to all the mothers who enjoy seafood and chocolate or chocolate cookies. Martin will be preparing the red drumfish before he sets up the fire to cook it outside. My daughter and I had collected sticks recently at a park so that we could make a fire to cook the fish. I'm so happy Martin was able to help me with this video. It was fun watching him make some fried fish on an open fire. Looks good.
It's going to start jumping. Wait, look, try. It's really tight.
Too hot? It's looking good.
You think this one is done?
Now I'll be showing you this special crab salad recipe. I found it in an ebook called Cooking Through Cancer by Richard Lombardi, the cancer fighting chef. This recipe includes foods that are known to fight cancer, which are red onions, celery, salad greens, cranberries, and my favorite, crab meat. Since I am currently nursing, I want to lower my intake of mercury from seafood, so I'm actually using surim, S-U-R-I-M, imitation crab, which has a good serving of protein, but not a really high level of mercury compared to real crab. The recipe and ingredients are in the description. This crab salad paired well with our fried fish. Now for this black bean chocolate cookie. I found the recipe in Baking with Beans. It's an ebook by Lena Wallen-Tinson. She is a chef who wants people to benefit from baked goods that are made with legumes, which add protein, plenty of protein and fiber and minerals. These cookies are super chocolatey. They were delicious, but I used cashew butter, and I think that made it taste salty or more savory than sweet. The recipe calls for hazelnut butter, and I could not make hazelnut butter at the time, so if you need to substitute, I would suggest to try anything else but not cashew butter. I have made another one of her cookie recipes. It's a peanut butter and chocolate chip, which was super successful with my family. Everybody loved them, and so I think that would be a much better choice to make, in my opinion. And a video will be coming soon for that recipe. What I love about these cookies is the deep, dark, intense chocolate and the soft brownie texture, along with the crunch of the nuts. The next time I make them, I will definitely use hazelnut butter instead. Happy belated Mother's Day to everyone, and I hope you try one of these recipes.